Affiliate marketing is often sold as fast, easy, and passive. But anyone who has stayed in this space long enough knows the truth. Real affiliate success is built slowly, intentionally, and consistently. The difference between those who quit and those who succeed is not talent or luck. It is patience, supported by healthy habits. Welcome to Affiliate Marketing Secrets, folks. I'm Richard Fontanie. Today, we're talking about patience in affiliate success and why a long-term mindset beats quick wins every single time. Now, if you're building a digital business from home and want sustainable results, well, this episode is for you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to continue learning simple, practical strategies designed for beginners and growing entrepreneurs. Also, check out our other playlists, Speaking from the Heart, a spiritual podcast for today's audience, and Coaching Talks, a leadership forum for the traditional workplace. Now let's move on to today's topic, patience in affiliate success, why the long-term mindset always wins. Healthy habits are the foundation of sustainable affiliate income. Without them, effort becomes scattered and frustrations mount. Many beginners jump from platform to platform and strategy to strategy, chasing fast results. When these results don't come quickly, motivation drops and their business stalls. Patience changes everything. It keeps you focused long enough for habits to form and momentum to build. Affiliate marketing rewards consistency because trust, visibility, and authority take time. A long-term mindset starts with realistic expectations. Affiliate marketing is not a lottery ticket. It is a business model that compounds effort. Content published today may not generate income for months, but when it does, it continues to generate income long after the initial effort is complete. Quick wins feel exciting, but they're not reliable. Sustainable income is built on repeatable habits and drive long-term growth. Let's explore 5 actionable strategies to help affiliate marketers cultivate patience and achieve lasting success. First, commit to consistent content creation. Now, you do not need to post everywhere and every day. You need a realistic schedule you can sustain. One blog post, video, or set of pins per week done consistently builds far more momentum than short bursts followed by long breaks. That's one home entrepreneur committed to publishing one helpful article per week, and the next 3 months brought very little traffic. After 6 months, though, traffic began to grow, and after a year, those same articles generated consistent affiliate income. Patience turned into assets. Second, focus on learning before earning. Now, beginners often rush into monetization without understanding their audience or the platforms they're working on. A healthy habit is to dedicate time each week to learning SEO basics, platform analytics, audience needs, and promotional practices. This learning habit prevents costly mistakes and builds confidence. And over time, it removes the guesswork. Third, track progress the right way. Now, many affiliates quit because they track only income. In the early stages, income fluctuates or remains flat. Instead, Track habits, content published, emails sent, skills learned, and consistency maintained. One beginner replaced income tracking with habit tracking. She measured consistency and not commissions. 6 months later, I learned that her income followed her habits, and she had already built. Fourth, build trust before promoting. Sustainable affiliate businesses are built on trust. This means recommending products you understand and believe in, being transparent, and prioritizing value over sales. Trust grows slowly, but once established, it supports long-term income. Quick breakthroughs built on hype undermined credibility and shortened a business lifespan. Fifth, create simple routines that conserve energy. And burnout is one of the biggest threats to affiliate success. Healthy habits include defined work, regular breaks, and clear boundaries between businesses and personal life. One affiliate marketer nearly quit due to exhaustion. By limiting work to focused morning sessions, resting intentionally, productivity improves and creativity returns. Now, this sustainability allows growth to continue. Now, let me take a break here to promote our Man Up Men, a PLR product that includes a 60-page ebook, a deep dive into why men have difficulty in living balanced lifestyles and what they can do about it. The PLR product also includes tips to improve lifestyle balance, 10 articles on life balance for men, social media content, and much, much more. You can find Man Up Men in the description below. Now let's move on. At-home entrepreneurs' stories consistently reflect the strategies I just outlined. Those who succeed stay longer than those who chase speed. They build systems rather than shortcuts. Patience also helps affiliate marketers manage comparisons. Social media highlights wins and not necessarily the struggles that people take. Comparing your early stage business to someone else who has had a 5-year journey, it creates unnecessary pressure for you. A long-term mindset keeps the focus on your own progress rather than on somebody else's. Affiliate marketing signs perfectly with habit growth. Each piece of content, each email, and each improvement compounds over time. The key is staying consistent long enough for the compounding to take effect. Now, here are 4 practical next steps that matter. 1, choose one primary platform and one primary content type. 2, commit to a single publishing schedule for the next 90 days. 3, track consistency and not perfection. 4, review progress monthly and adjust thoughtfully. Now, it's also important to recognize that encouragement matters, especially in the early stages. Slow results don't mean you're failing. They mean you're just getting started. Most affiliate success is built quietly over months of unseen work. And that, my friends, takes patience. Healthy habits transform uncertainty into clarity. They reduce stress and build confidence. And when you trust the process and stay consistent, results follow naturally. Now, as we close, remember that patience is not passive. It is a disciplined consistency over time. Affiliate marketing success is not about doing more. It's about doing the right things long enough for them to work. Now, if you're willing to commit to healthy habits and long-term mindset, affiliate marketing can become a sustainable, fulfilling business built from your home. I'm Richard Fontanie, and thank you for joining me on this podcast. Join me next Friday as I discuss stress management, mindfulness, and how they affect the affiliate marketer. See you next Friday, if not before. Bye now.